never spare, like the very last pair. When you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there, so you say a little prayer. You don't wanna be so vain, but if I get them in my hands, I'll give them.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today it is Saturday, and we had the low version of the Air Jordan 1 Game Raw that did drop on the sneakers app, and they sitting as expected. But today I want to give you guys an on-feet look of the 2017 pair of the highs, just to kind of give you guys an overview of little differences and stuff like that. Super clean sneaker in my opinion. But before we get up into this review, man, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate that. Now, the biggest thing to know is that when it comes to the Air Jordan 1 low in this pair, there are a few different variations when it comes to them, and I will show you guys as we go through this review. I will point that out. Now, starting with the exterior of the shoe, you have your standard Jordan 1. This is in the Game Raw colorway. I do like the color blocking that was on this sneaker. Like I said, it originally dropped in 2017. The biggest difference on this one compared to the newer one is going to be right here. The outsole is aged on the new Jordan 1 low. Nike is like, they love giving us that vintage look, so they did go with the aged outsole, but not on this one. I prefer the pure white. This one is a little bit better. Also on the front end of the sneaker, as you guys can see right here, we have a black tongue. On the new ones, it is a white tongue. And then the Nike logo right here that's on the tongue is going to be reversed, so it's going to have a blue background with the black Nike writing on it. But for the most part with this one, leather quality is pretty good, as you guys can see on the toe box right there. Not bad at all. I'm pretty sure the low quality is not as good as this one, but as you guys can see, we have a black Nike swoosh. We have the Game Raw colorway on it. Kind of give me those fragment vibes on the back end of the sneaker. As you guys can see right here, just a typical Jordan 1 in that Game Raw colorway. On the bottom, we have that blue with the white midsole on it. On the interior of the shoe, as you guys can see right here, it's the exact same thing. Super clean sneaker. These did come with a couple of pairs of laces. You have the black ones, you have your white ones, and then you had some blue ones as well. Now, when it comes to sizing, all Jordan 1s, I'm going to say, are true to size, or you can always go a half a size down in Jordan 1s. Jordan 1 lows, I'm going to encourage you guys, if you're watching this and you're wondering about the Jordan 1 lows, I'm going to say half a size down or true to size for sure. Comfortability, Jordan 1s are super comfortable in my opinion, but I'm going to be realistic with you guys. I'm going to say a 7, maybe 6.5, 7 out of 10 when it comes to comfort. And then overall aesthetically, this is a dope sneaker. I'm going to say an 8 out of 10 when it comes to the overall ranking of the shoe. But just wanted to show you guys this one. This one is actually reselling for quite a bit. So getting the lows, I love the fact that Nike keep throwing us these lows instead of the highs to kind of just give us something to kind of go back to it. I'm pretty sure they'll be bringing these out eventually again, retroing, but for the time being, if you're able to get the lows, which you will be able to get them for under retail, I think that would be a great pickup, man. But y'all let me know down in the comment section what are your thoughts and opinions about this. As far as the box goes, they gave us the standard box right here. Nothing different, nothing crazy, just a Jordan 1 box that they came in, and like I said, they did come a couple of other sets of laces. But y'all let me know down in the comment section if this is a must cop for you guys when it comes to the lows. That's a reach back for you guys. I appreciate it. Y'all know what I'm saying, man. Rock what you like now was hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these sneakers right here, just bait. Or for me to share my faith, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs in the